Hey, there's two things I wanted to share with you. One of those things is I want you to be careful of crypto scams. So this is my first channel, okay? I have Living Not Working, that's my channel. I also have Anna _ Macko. Okay, this is my second channel. So a lot of the crypto scammers, they're stealing my photos and they're literally contacting you. So I will never reach out to you. Make sure there's 2 underscores. Maybe they'll have a misspelling in the name, 1 underscore, 1 N, depending on what they do. Okay, so you have to be really careful. So, and I also want to show you this official pages. Check it out. Because here's the thing, like if you want to know if you're being scammed on crypto, it's usually going to be somebody reaching out to you and telling you to join some FX platform or some kind of bot. I got a lot of messages lately of people saying, is this a scam? Is this a scam? And look, if it's a bot that says you'll make a percentage return every day, yes, that's a scam, because I've tried all of them. And some of them work for, 3 months. Some of them work for 6 months and then they disappear. So don't fall for that. The best way to make money is trading. You could see here, I have so many testimonials. Look at all these testimonials. Like there's so many. You could go through them. My most recent ones are at the end. So let's just scroll through. Like there's literally hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of testimonials. But look, these people doing their own trades. Look, 20%, friggin', yeah, that's the one, 20%, 50%, so good. Yeah, like this was just awesome. Money while sleeping, $1,000 in a week. Bitcoin got crazy. What was that? All 5 of my accounts are a nice profit at the moment. Yeah, exactly. See, this is how we make money in a crash. So as the price comes down, each of these candles, let's go back. Each of these candles is 1 minute. And as the price comes down, we actually profit. So we make more Bitcoin. This person, $31,000 USD return. This one, 40K in 17 days. Like this is real life. Like you could just scroll through these. It's amazing. Insane last night. 15% on the scalps, 200%. Like I share these, people message me on Instagram, thanks for the course, great profit as a beginner, 207%. Did you see that? 207%. So good. 42% with his first trade. He started with $8. $8. See, 42% trade. Like it's so amazing. All my students are doing well. 300 and started with 300, made 5K. So imagine making 5K with 700. 38% return right here on ETH. So good. Just made my next month's rent between March 13th and today, and that was 5 weeks ago. So, you know what I mean? It happens fast. 72% on this one. Oh, what was that one? 38%. Like these are all real, by the way. Like 173%. Look at that. These are my students' results. So I could share you my results all day long, but I know how to coach people. Look, 111.83%. So good. 2 trades and they were both successful. So good. Look at this one, 57%. That's a student of mine. Truly believe in law of attraction and being in peace with the money and abundance. I had my first shot and all with earnings. Up to 10%. So yeah, you can check out my Instagram, 42%. You could look through these testimonials. Bitcoin is where regular people come to get rich. Yeah, that's me. Another testimonial here. In 20 days, doubled their money from 0.42 to 0.86. That's like $5,000. $5,000 in how long? In 20 days. Boom. And then here, he entered here, exited here. Perfect. Thank you. So yeah. And then these are some new lessons I have in the 2% theory. They're drills. So we do the same thing over and over and over until we get it, which I think is really helping. A lot of people are saying that it's actually helping. So we do practice drills. But yeah, I just wanted to show you that. So the best way that you could ever trade is, go to the 2% theory. Look, I'll show you. You go here, 2% theory. You click I'm interested. You put your email. And it's going to take you to a page with a video. You can watch the video. It's free, and then I send you another video after. So I think it's worth it. Even if you do the free stuff, you could get started. There's links under the other video that I show. The video is gonna look like this, so you could go through, And then you can see here I have some affiliate links, which basically means you'll get a discount on fees when you get started, and how to buy crypto in Canada with no fees. And that's actually going to get you started. It's amazing. Like, even this video is super helpful, especially if you haven't done it before. I sent you another video as well after that for more beginners, but I think, yeah, if you just give it a shot, I think you'll really like this, because it's so amazing. And these 2 training videos will help you so that you could also get results like making $5,000 in 20 days, which is very possible. Real people are doing it. So hope you like that. Okay, thanks. Talk soon. Bye.